This video is strictly made for information purpose only, not for misguiding anyone. How to claim your Hira Group investment and submit the documents to SFIO? First point is to fill the amount you have invested, that is investment details. Second point is to fill the amount you have received as returns from Hira Group of companies in the form of profit. Third point is submit your Aadhaar card and PAN card. Yes, after submitting your PAN card, this is the main criteria where SFIO will track your transactions. They will track all your transactions, not only Hira Group's transactions. All the investments will be tracked. Be careful by submitting this application. Don't get into trouble of paying taxes or getting imprisoned. Even cash deposited in the machines in the past in the account also will be tracked. They will scrutinize all the transactions which are illegal and which are suspicious. So be ready to answer that as well. Submitting PAN card might be dangerous for the people who haven't paid taxes. If you don't submit PAN card, then application will be rejected for sure. Submit bank passbook showing the investments made. This is fine, but they will definitely check the history of money. From where did you get it and how you invested the money? That also will be investigated. So be careful. If it's legal money only you can submit, or else a new interrogation will start on your source of investments. Submit bank passbook showing the returns received from the company. Why is this being asked now? This is being asked to know the credibility and to record how much Hira Group has returned the money to the investors and at what time. Keeping a good track record of Hira Group since 1998 till date. To prove the feasibility of Hira Group. Example 1. What if you invested 10 lakhs? And you have received 15 lakhs as returns? That 5 lakhs will be told to return back to settle the money of other investors who haven't received the principal amount or investment also from the company. Example 2. If you have invested 10 lakhs and received 5 lakhs as profit, then you will be legally the owner to receive of that remaining 5 lakhs only. 5 lakhs will be considered principal amount of your investment. This will also be checked thoroughly. What if SFIO questions that you have received more than what you have invested? The application will be rejected or reinterrogate it for inquiring about tax payable for the investment money. To check whether you have paid the tax for which you have invested. Hira Group has already paid the taxes for which it had received in the form of investment. Please be careful here as well before submitting the documents to SFIO. Submit all the copies of unit purchase receipts and membership certificates. Remember, here everything has to be notarized, where you have to carry the original documents for notary. If there are no original documents, then notary will not be done. Give your mobile number which you had mentioned in all the unit purchase receipts and membership certificates, so that it will be easy for tracking. Give your email ID which you had mentioned in all the unit purchase receipts and membership certificates. Main important thing is you have to notarize each and every document here. For notary, everyone has to carry and submit original documents. If not notarized or followed the format, application will be rejected. Claim due date is November 20th. After November 20th, 2021 no claims will be taken or considered by SFIO, so hurry up. So guys, we don't have enough time. Go submit, claim your investments and get your money back. In a period of 6 months or 1 year or 2 years or 10 years, maybe more than that. But getting the principal amount is for sure. It depends upon the verification. In these type of cases, investment will be delayed. It is evident in so many big cases in India. Suppose the money which you had invested is not recorded or you haven't paid the taxes. Then a good suggestion was to go with trade continuation request. Let them take 1 year, but money will be safer from initial. Those who have continued the company will start paying profit as soon as possible. Those who have opted for trade continuation, they are safe, and those who had opted for partial withdrawal, they still have an option to change their request to trade continuation request even after final submission, as still verification process has not started, and Hira Group will take care of all those who stand with company. Those who have opted for total withdrawal request are now stuck, and now they don't have an option to proceed for trade continuation request and have only option to submit it to SFIO, and they have to get their money back from SFIO only. If you go and submit your bank history instead of getting money, you might be ending up giving money to government and face legal charges of not paying taxes on the day of investment. So a good suggestion is to be careful while you submit. But Hira Group of companies has paid taxes of each and every investment it has received. So today it is not facing any problem regarding tax or money laundering, so all the false allegations are proved completely wrong. No evidences were proved. Now we all get to know that people who opted for continued trade are safe. Down the lane, 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, they will deal with Hira Group and get their money back or start getting their profit. And people who have opted complete withdrawal request and filed cases, they will have to go through complete process of court and SFIO. We never know how much time it takes. It might take years for verification. People who have opted for partial or withdrawal requests, SFIO has already taken that data. If they haven't taken, they will take that data from Hira Group. After they take that data, they will again verify. From now, SFIO only will verify all the requests of Hira Group. Supreme Court has strictly ordered SFIO to verify each and everything properly. SFIO is all set to provide justice to all the genuine investors. SFIO has come into action to identify whether the investor is genuine or fake. We hope this video has given you some useful information. To know more proper updates of Hira Group,